I'm Andrew Swanson. I'm a junior pilot on the team, and tonight we're at the Innovation Center flying a 100 drone show for a preschool night. This drone show is special in a lot of ways. The main being that this is our first show since CASB, and it really shows our resilience and how we just gotta get back up even in the hard times and be ready for the next success. We can really show this to these preschoolers and teach them a very valuable lesson that I feel most of them are gonna use throughout their school careers. It's really gonna show the preschoolers that even though you get knocked down, you just gotta put in the work and the effort and you'll get right back to where you were. So, without further ado, listen to some tunes, tales, and enjoy the show.